Hello students, let's see some question from exercise 3.2. In previous video we covered the solution of linear equation graphically. Now we will use it. The first question, we have to solve the system of linear equation graphically solve करना है pair of linear equation को. So let's start. The first part is 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and number of girls. So first we have to form the pair of linear equation and then we have to solve it graphically. तो पहले इक्वेशन फॉर्म करेंगे और फिर उसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करेंगे. So total students are given here 10 and they are boys and girls. So first we suppose that number of girls equals to x and number of boys equals to y. Total student 10, number of girls we suppose x, number of boys y. Now first equation, total student is 10. Total student 10. So x plus y is equals to 10. Number of girls plus number of boys is equal to 10. X plus y equals to 10. X plus y equals to 10. So this is first equation. Now let obtain some solution for this equation. And second is, it is given the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. यानी जो number of girls हैं वो boys से 4 ज़्यादा है, यानी दोनों का difference है वो 4 है. So x minus y equals to 4. Number of girls minus number of boys is equals to 4. This is the pair of equation we form as per given condition. Total student 10, so x plus y is equals to 10. Girls are 4 more than the boys, so x minus y equals to 4. So this is our pair of linear equations. Now we have to solve it graphically. So we have to draw the graph, and to draw graph we need some points on these lines. So first let take the equation x plus y equals to 10. So we transpose one variable to the right hand side. Let transpose x. So y equals to 10 minus x. Y is equals to 10 minus x. Now we put some values of x to get y. Let put x equals to 5, y equals to 5. You can put any value by your choice. It is not compulsory that you have to take 5. You can take any value. Let put x equals to 6. Then y equals to 4. 10 minus 6. And one more value, at least you have to take 3 points whenever you have to draw the graph. X equals to 7, y equals to 3. Must take 3 points. Okay, 3 points is equal to necessary. You can draw a line by taking 2 points. So we put these points in the table: 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3. These are the solution for first equation. Now for second equation, x minus y equals to 4. So x equals to 4 plus y. Now we put some values of y to get the value of x. So put y equals to 1, then x equals to 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Put y equals to 2, then x is equals to 6. And put y equals to 3, then x equals to 7. So we obtain here some values, some points on this equation x minus y equals to 4. Now put these points in a table. So points are 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3. So that's we get 3 set of points for the both equations. Okay, so I am telling you that you have to take at least 3 points. If you take 2 points, you can also get a line. Okay, but 3 point is necessary to get a correct line, because if you have 2 point, one is correct, one is wrong, you will get a straight line. But among 3 points, if one point is wrong, some calculation mistake is there, then you will not get a straight line. So you must take 3 points. If you take 3 points, then you can find if any mistake is there. So let's draw the graph. These are our set of points. So it is our graph paper. We mark scale 1 2 3 4 7. Now first point is 5 5. So let's move to 5 5. On x axis 5, it is 5, and now up on y axis 5. So this is our position for point 5 5. We put a point at 5 5. Okay, next point is 6 4. 5 5, we put the coordinates, so that now next point is 6 comma 4. So 6 and 4, y is 4, x 6 y 4. This is the position for point. So let's put a point at 6 4. So this is our point 6 4. Let's write the coordinates 6 comma 4. Third is 7 3, x 7 and y is 3. 7 3, 7 3, 7 comma 3. So we plot all 3 points. Now we join them. So whenever you are drawing graph, first draw one line, then go for the second line. So equation x plus y equals to 10. So this is now first equation completed. We plot all 3 points, put the coordinates, write the equation and join them. So first set is completed. Now let's move to draw the graph for second. First point 5 comma 1. 5 1. X 5 y 1. 5 1. X is 5, y is 1. So we put a point at that 5 comma 1. Next is 6 comma 2. 6 and 2. So this is 6 comma 2. Let's put a point, coordinate 6 comma 2. Third is 7 comma 3. 7 3, already marked there. 7 3. So these are 3 points, 5 1 6 2 7 3. Let's join with a straight line. Now write the equation x minus y equals to 4. So you can see we get intersecting line for this question, and the two line intersect at 7 comma 3. 7 comma 3 पे intersect करिए, तो यही अपना solution है. So equation x minus y equals to 4. Now intersection point is 7 comma 3. This is our solution. X is 7, y equals to 3. So solution of this system is x equals to 7, y equals to 3. Now we suppose x as number of girls and y as number of boys. So girls are 7 and boys are 3. Number of girls equals to 7 sorry, number of boys 3. You can check your solution. 7 plus 3 10, total student हो गई. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. आप solution check कर सकते हैं. 7 plus 3 10 आ रहा है, यानी टोटल स्टूडेंट 10 मैच हो रहा है आंसर अपना. और 7 minus 3 4 आ रहा है, यानी गर्ल्स आर 4 more than the number of boys. So this is our first question, first part, in which we solve a given situation graphically. Second part you can try yourself. Such type question we have already done in exercise 3.2. 1. Now question second, on comparing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, find out whether these lines representing the following pair of equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. You know that we have three type of line whenever we draw the graph for system of linear equation, and you know that solution always depend on a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी सेम है, सो सेकंड एंड थर्ड आर सेम क्वेश्चन. मैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन को भी यहाँ इंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ. थर्ड क्वेश्चन यू कैन ट्राई योर सेल्फ. So these two equations are given in first part, 5x minus 4y plus 8, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. So first we find these ratios, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Whenever you find ratio, that should be in simplified form. So a1 upon a2 अगर 5 by 7, x के coefficient है 5 और 7, 5 by 7. You have to take these coefficient with their sign positive और negative, लेकिन x और y नहीं लिखना है वहाँ पे, आपको ध्यान रखना है. नाउ b1 अपॉन b2 इज -4/6, और बताया जब भी आप रेशो फाइंड करो दैट शुड बी इन सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म. तो 2 से इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे तो -2/3 आ गया b1 अपॉन b2. नाउ c1/c2 इज 8 अपॉन -9. तो दीज आर थ्री रेशो, a1 अपॉन a2, b1 अपॉन b2 एंड c1 अपॉन c2. फर्स्ट ऑलवेज यू कंपेयर a1 अपॉन a2 एंड b1 अपॉन b2. check whether they are equal or not. If not equal, then unique solution. If equal, then we have to look at c1 upon c2. तब c1/c2 को देखेंगे. First always compare a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. So here a1 upon a2 5/7, b1 upon b2 -2/3, and these are not equal. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. इक्वल नहीं है. ठीक है जी. 5/7 इज नॉट इक्वल टू -2/3. सो यूनिक सोल्यूशन, whenever a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, the solution is unique solution. One solution we get, and such system is called as consistent. जिस सिस्टम का solution होगा उसको consistent system बोलते हैं. And third, we get intersecting lines. Whenever we have unique solution a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we get intersecting line. तीनों कंडीशन बता दी है. तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी सेम ऐसा ही है, वो आपको ट्राई करना, कंपेयर करके आपको फाइंड करना है किस वेदर सिस्टम इज किस टाइप का सॉल्यूशन आएगा. सो हेयर वी गेट इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. इसने यही पूछा था कि किस टाइप की लाइन्स आएगी, तो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन आएगी. मैंने आपको साथ में बता दिया कि यूनिक सॉल्यूशन आएगा और सिस्टम इज कंसिस्टेंट. नाउ लेट मूव टू सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सेकंड पार्ट, इक्वेशंस आर 9x + 3y + 12 एंड 18x + 6y + 24 = 0. सो a1 upon a2 है 9/18. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 1/2 आ गया. Always put a1 these ratio in simplified form. a1 upon a2 is 1/2. b1 upon b2 3/6, that is also 1/2. And c1 upon c2 12/24, that is also. Whenever you see c1 and c2, तो कांस्टेंट टर्म है, दैट शुड बी ऑन सेम साइड. या दोनों इक्वेशन में लेफ्ट साइड में हो या दोनों राइट साइड में हो. लेफ्ट साइड में हो या दोनों राइट साइड में. सो हियर इफ वी कंपेयर a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon a2. So whenever a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, then we look at the c1 upon c2. So that is also equal. All three are equal. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In that case, we get infinitely many solution. हमारे पास आएंगे infinitely many solution. Whenever all three ratio are equal, तो जो सिस्टम है उसके बहुत सारे इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन होते हैं. सिस्टम कॉल्ड एज कंसिस्टेंट. जब भी सॉल्यूशन होगा सिस्टम को कंसिस्टेंट बोलते हैं. एंड वी गेट कोइंसिडेंट लाइन, मीन वन लाइन विल ओवरलैप द अदर लाइन. पहले ही बताया था कोइंसिडेंट लाइन, एक लाइन दूसरे को पूरी तरह ओवरलैप कर ले या दोनों इक्वेशन के लिए सेम ही लाइन आए तो उसको बोलते हैं हम कोइंसिडेंट लाइन. सो infinitely many solution, consistent and coincident line. बिकॉज a1/a2 इज इक्वल टू b1/b2 इज इक्वल टू c1/c2। हमारे पास तीन ही कंडीशन है। एक पहले अभी हमने की थी प्रीवियस पार्ट में, a1/a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन। सेकंड ये की है। नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड इक्वेशन। 6x माइनस 3y प्लस 10 इक्वल टू 0, 2x माइनस y प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 0। सो a1/a2 इज 6/2, 3 आ गया, 3/1। नाउ b1/b2 माइनस 3/-1, यू हैव टू टेक values with their sign, minus 3/-1 is 3/1, and c1/c2 is 10/9. So these are three ratios. If you compare a1/a2 and b1/b2 are equal, a1/a2 and b1/b2 are equal, both are equal, both are same 3/1, but not equal to c1/c2, that is 10/9. So a1/a2 is equal to b1/b2 not equal to c1/c2, it's mean सिस्टम हैव नो सॉल्यूशन, कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, दो कंडीशन में सॉल्यूशन आता है हमारे पास, और फर्स्ट टू में सॉल्यूशन था, थर्ड में नो सॉल्यूशन है। सो सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज इनकंसिस्टेंट। जब भी सॉल्यूशन नहीं होता सिस्टम का तो उसको इनकंसिस्टेंट बोलते हैं, और वी गेट पैरेलल लाइन। इनकंसिस्टेंट सिस्टम में नो सॉल्यूशन होता है, और जो लाइंस आती है दैट आर पैरेलल लाइंस। सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, where we compare all three ratios and then we find out what type graph, what type solution we get for the system. This is second question. Third question you have to try yourself, in which you have to compare the ratio a1/a2, b1/b2, c1/c2 and find out whether system is consistent or inconsistent. Now question number fourth. And fourth question, first we have to find whether given system is consistent or inconsistent. Okay, we have to find linear equations are consistent or inconsistent, और अगर consistent है then we have to solve the system graphically। दो काम करने हैं, first we have to check whether system is consistent or inconsistent, और अगर consistent आएगा तो solution find करना है। So consistent and inconsistent, we first need to check the ratio a1/a2, b1/b2, c1/c2. Then we can find out whether system is consistent or inconsistent. So here a1/a2 is 1/2, b1/b2 is 1/2, c1/c2 5/10, 1/2। बताया था आपको जो कांस्टेंट है वो दोनों एक साइड में होती है, यहाँ पे राइट साइड में है दोनों 5 और 10। पिछले हमने पार्ट किया उसमें लेफ्ट साइड में थे दोनों। Both should be on same side, either right side or left side. So here you can see a1/a2, b1/b2 and c1/c2, all three are equal, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. If all three ratio are equal, then system is consistent, consistent होता है। अभी अपने पीछे भी किया था सेकंड पार्ट में, system is consistent and have infinite many solutions and we get coincident lines. So first part हमने कर लिया कि system consistent है, then we have to solve this system graphically। तो हमें इसके लिए ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा। So let draw the graph x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So first 5 minus y, we transpose y. Now put some values of y to get x. So y equals to 5, x equals to 0, y equals to 4, x equals to 1, and y equals to 3, x equals to 2. You can put any values for x and y, for y's कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं। we put here, so we get 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3। ये पॉइंट आ गए x, y, we put in the table. So these are the solution for first equation. Now नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, इट्स बिकम 2x इक्वल्स टू 10 माइनस 2y, 2y जाएगा उधर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, और जो 2x का 2 है उससे डिवाइड कर दिया, 10 माइनस 2y अपॉन 2। नाउ वी पुट सम वैल्यूज ऑफ y, और आपको ऐसी वैल्यू पुट करनी है जिससे कि फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आए वैल्यू। सो वी पुट 5 10 माइनस 10 जीरो हो जाएगा, 0.2 इज 0, 5 0 फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी गेट। नेक्स्ट y इक्वस टू 4, x इक्वस टू 1, 4 पुट करें, 4 2 8, 10 माइनस 8 इज 2, 2/2 इज 1, उसे डिवाइड भी करना है। एंड लेट पुट y इक्वस टू 3, 3 2 जा 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4/2 is 2. These are the points 0 5 1 4 2 3. If you compare we get same points, same point आए हैं, both set of point is equal because in condition a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 all three are equal, we always get coincident line, so point same ही होगी। Now we plot these points on a graph, ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करते हैं पॉइंट्स। सो दीज आर आवर सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स एंड लेट ग्राफ पेपर, सो स्केल इज सेम 1 2 3 नॉर्मल। नाउ लेट प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट अवर इज 0 5, so this is the point 0 5, x 0 और y 5, कोऑर्डिनेट दिए 0 5 आ गया। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 1 4 1 and y is 4 1 4, so we put here 1 4, coordinates 1 4। third is 2 3 2 3, 0 5 1 4 2 3। Now we join all these three lines, three points, we join all 3 points। now दूसरे पॉइंट ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज बोथ आर सेम पॉइंट, दोबारा ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे। we put the both equation x plus y equals to 5, 2x plus 2y equals to 10, both equation have same straight line। so infinitely many solution, equation have infinitely many solution। so this is the first part of fourth, ये exercise 3.1 लिखा है, it is exercise 3.2। now let's move to next part of this fourth question, the second part। again first we have to check whether system is consistent or inconsistent, then we have to solve it graphically, फिर इसको graphically solve करना है। second part equations are given x minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y equals to 16। so let's compare the ratio। so a1 upon a2 1 by 3, you can see coefficients of x। now b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3 आ गया, 1 by 3 आ गया। now c1 by c2 8 by 16, simplify जरूर करना है, 1 by 2। so if you compare you can see a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are equal, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 and not equals to c1 by c2। so it is a third condition, when two ratio are equal but not equals to c1 by c2, system is inconsistent। system inconsistent होता है, no solution आता है। so system is inconsistent, so this second part is completed here। अगर consistent है तो ही ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, inconsistent है तो ग्राफ ड्रॉ नहीं करना। क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ था फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में, if system is consistent then show it graphically। तो ये सेकेंड पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया है, सिस्टम इनकंसिस्टेंट। लेट मूव टू थर्ड पार्ट नाउ। थर्ड पार्ट इज यहाँ आ गया नो सॉल्यूशन एंड पैरेलल लाइंस। इनकंसिस्टेंट सिस्टम है, इसमें नो सॉल्यूशन और पैरेलल लाइंस आ रही है। The third part equation are given 2x plus y minus 6, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So a1 upon a2 2 by 4, 2 by 4 1 by 2 आ गया. b1 upon b2 1 upon minus 2, we put value with sign, and c1 by c2 minus 6 by 4 3 by 2. So first we compare a1 upon a2 to b1 upon b2. You can see both are not equal. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then c1 upon c2 is not required. And when these two ratios are equal, system have unique solution, system is consistent होता है, unique solution होता है, and we get intersecting lines. ये आपको तीनों कंडीशन पता है. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so because the system is consistent, we have to draw the graph for this system. इस सिस्टम के लिए ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है हमें. Select draw the graph, and you know that how to draw graph. We take some points for both the equations. So first is 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0, our equation. तो y equals to 6 उधर जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और 2x माइनस का हो जाएगा. y equals to 6 minus 2x. Let's put some values of x. You can put any value with your choice. Let's put x 0. So 0 into 2 0, 6 minus 0 is 6. Let's put x equals to 1. तो y equals to 6 minus 2 is 4 हो गया. Let's put x equals to 2 2 जब 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So these are the points 0 6 1 4 and 2 2. We put in the table 0 6 1 4 2 2. These are the solution for first equation. Now second, so it can be written as x is equals to 4 plus 2y. 4 उधर जाके प्लस का हो जाएगा, 2y प्लस का हो जाएगा, और जो x का 4 है उससे डिवाइड कर दिया. 4 plus 2y by 4. x की वैल्यू आ गई 4 plus 2y upon 4. Let's put some values of y. We put 0. 2 into 0 हो गया. 4 upon 4 is 1. And we put वैल्यू y की ऐसी पुट करने की फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आना चाहिए. So we put 2 here. 1 नहीं पुट करेंगे. 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 4 8 हो जाएगा. 8 by 4 is 2 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, हमें ऐसी वैल्यू पुट करनी है कि फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आए. फ्रैक्शन में आएगा फिर आपको थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना. ठीक है. 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. नाउ पुट लेट y इक्वल्स टू 3. 3 नहीं पुट करेंगे. 3 से फ्रैक्शन में आएगा. 4 पुट करते हैं. 4 4 2 जा 8, 8 plus 4 12, और 12 by 4 is 3. x is 3. So these are the point 1 0 2 2 3 4. So put in this table 1 0 x1 y 0 2 2 and 3 4. Now we can draw the graph for these two equations. Let's start with first equation. First point is 0 6. So here is 0 6, x 0 y 6. Let's put the coordinate 0 6. x 0 आया, y 6. 1 4. ये 1 है यहाँ पे x, और ये y आ गया 4. 1 4. This is the place where point 1 4 will lie. So 1 4 यहाँ पे point put करते हैं. 1 4 आ गया ये. Let's write the coordinates 1 4. The third is 2 2, x2 y2. ये 2x और ये y2 आ गया यहाँ पे. This is the position for point 2 2. Let's put a point here 2 2. So these are 3 points. So first we join them with a straight line. Now we can write the equation also 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So we represent first equation as a straight line. Now next is point is 1 0. So this is x1 y0 1 0. Second is 2 2. Already marked there 2 2. ये 2 2 हो गया. Third is 3 4. x3 y4. x3 at this line and y4. This is y4. 3 4, we put at that position 3 4. Now join them, we join all the 3 points coordinate 3 comma 4. Now write the equation of this equation. So you can see we get intersecting line, and you can see both line intersect at 2 comma 2. So our solution is 2 comma 2. आपको solution जरूर लिखना ग्राफ पे. Solution mean you have to write, if intersecting line are there, then you have to write the solution x equals to 2, y equals to 2. intersect नहीं करी, coincident है तो write infinitely many solution. और पैरेलल लाइन है then you have to put no solution. ग्राफ पेपर पे आप जरूर लिखें. सो सोल्यूशन आ गया x equals to 2, y equals to 2. So these are some question from exercise 3.2. 4 question का I think one more part is there, you can try yourself. I hope you learn the topic properly. If any doubt you can re-watch this, आप दोबारा देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो on YouTube and also subscribe my channel. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.